everyone, Amanda here, thanks for joining me. So I'm here to share my brand new collection, and this is called Parisienne. It's a 33-page digital collection available on my Ko-fi. All the links will be in the description box down below. So there is just the one collection, 33 pages. You don't need to purchase any add-ons, any extra kits. It's all here, everything that you need. And the only other thing that you might want to take a look at is my French ephemera kit. That might be worth a purchase to go with this if you so desire. Super low cost as always. Go and have a look, check it out and see what you think. So we're going to go through the pages. I have done, and I did say last month when I did my kit last month, that I'm doing UK and US size. So I did that last month and I had really good feedback. So this month I have actually downloaded two separate kits, one for UK size and one for US size, so make sure you pick up the correct one, okay? So let's have a look. It's really pretty. Now my lighting at the moment is absolutely pants, so please believe me when I say that the colours are absolutely lovely. It's subtle, but it's very, very pretty. I wanted a vintage theme, but I didn't want it too dark. So we've got lovely subtle colours, and then I'll show you towards the end. There's a few what I call contrasting pages, which are colours that'll go with it, but they're a bit stronger. So, you know, you could rip them up and layer them and make your embellishments out of them for an extra pop of colour. So right, off we go. Beautiful 33 pages of pure loveliness. Hopefully the camera will stay in focus and the light will be kind to me. So this one's beautiful. We've got the map of Paris in the background there, and we've got this lovely subtle border all the way around that's on quite a lot of the pages. It's a very cohesive kit, and it's useful not just for journals. You can use these for anything. I make folios, I make mini albums, I make cards, I do all sorts with them. So not just for journals, the digital papers to be used the same as you would your scrapbooking paper or your patterned papers that you purchase. So here we go, another one. Absolutely in love with this, with these poppies, and we've got the Parisienne ladies there. Beautiful vintage artwork. Okay, another beautiful one here, and just very pale in the background there it says La Belle Française. The camera probably won't pick it up, don't know if it will, but there you go. It's absolutely stunning, and I really love this one. It's one of my favourites because I just love that poppy cluster, really pretty. And then we've got another one here with some more clusters and Parisian pictures there. Another one of the lovely ladies on a background which looks like loads of layered letters laid on top of each other. It's lovely, really pretty. I'm really pleased how it's turned out. Another one there. Oh, let me just turn my phone on to silent. Beg your pardon. And here's the lovely layered letters again. We've got the Eiffel Tower and some lovely architecture there. Beautiful. Another vintage style one there. Stunning. And we've got our lovely ladies on a collage there. Beautiful. Beautifully blended in. It just looks like that's how it's meant to be. And then I've done this collage page a little bit stronger with no fading or distressing. Perfect. You can cut those up, make you know, tags, pockets, envelopes, whatever you like. And then we've got the lovely layered letters there again on their own, and another beautiful collage with the lovely florals. And there's another one with some other images in and between, so they are different. Okay, then we've got some just plain what I call writing pages. So they're still digital. We've got beautiful subtle borders all the way around here, but these are designed for writing on. Here's another one with some French writing, some French script on. Hopefully the camera's picking that up. And another plainer one there for journaling, but with the blue tone. There's a dusky vintage pink patterned paper with some distressing, and there's a blue one, so you've got some pattern backgrounds. So popular demand, I've added some words. I don't often add a lot of, well, I hardly ever add words to my kits because it's not something I use, but people ask for them, so I've made some in labels and some on their own, so you can cut them out and do what you want with them in both French and English. Different words there. I'm babbling a bit. So here's a lovely page with obviously the map of Paris on. Another one of the lovely ladies. She's absolutely, isn't she pretty? Beautiful, beautiful vintage painting there. Let's see if anybody recognises the artist of those images. So these are, excuse me, these are some of the stronger backgrounds that I've created. So these go with, so they're picking out the blues and the reds and the yellows within my papers. And so what you do with these is you'd use them as contrast. So you might rip this up and layer it under a cluster and add it to your page to add some darker tones if you so desire. But they're beautiful even just on their own, stunning. And these have been downloaded from a French library, and they're snippets of wallpapers and fabric hangings. Absolutely beautiful. So those are, you know, digital images of vintage fabrics. Another beautiful wallpaper background, stunning. And then we're on to the embellishments. So these are some fussy cutting elements, bits of ephemera for you to cut out and put in your tuck spots or add to your clusters or in your, you know, your envelopes and your pockets. And another one there. And like I say, if you're wanting more, take a look at the French ephemera kit. It's absolutely fantastic. I have shown it, and there's loads in it, absolutely loads. So I've done some envelopes. I've only done 2. You can do them 2 to a page if you want them smaller. I've just done 2 because I didn't want to do heaps of embellishments because I want the focus to be on the pages. You can always make tags, pockets, envelopes, tuck spots, things like that out of the main pages. But there's just a few if you want some for ease of use, as it were. So those are pretty. And then we're on to the tags. Let me just turn that around. So again, these are absolutely beautiful. Obviously coordinate with the kit. Okay, there's the other ones. Those are journaling cards. So there we go, with those beautiful ladies on again. Now you will notice I haven't put any holes or reinforcers at the top. And that's because it's quite tricky to get them exactly the right size. So I thought, you know, you can just punch your own holes and add your own reinforcers. I just think it makes it more versatile, because it frustrates me when the holes aren't the right size or the reinforcers are too dark to go with what I want to do in my journal. So I've left them for you to do yourself, but those are beautiful. You've got a set of 6 there. Okay, and then obviously some lovely journaling cards, although you can make journaling cards out of the pages, but I thought I'd just pick a few of my favourite images and make some journaling cards with them. So there you go, as I say, 33 pages of Parisian beautifulness. Absolutely lovely. So I'm going to be making a vintage journal with mine. So I'm going to do like a junk journal style, I think. So I will be doing, you know, doing some sharing and maybe doing some videos. There'll be lots of inspiration over on my group. I'm sending this to a few of my design team members as well, who are going to be working with it. So there's going to be lots of inspiration of what people do, because different people make things in different ways. So I hope that this kit inspires you. I hope that you'll go and have a look via the links in my Ko-fi and have a look at the amazing prices that I charge. I keep my prices low on purpose to make sure that everybody gets a chance to have a go at digital crafting. So thanks for watching, take care, and I'll see you again very soon. Bye for now.